Hi, I'm Theo. 30 days ago, I handed my friend Dave this guy. Right here. Exactly $0. One free AI tool. And a laptop. No other help. No hand-holding. Do you remember how you felt that day?
Honestly, I thought you were setting me up to fail.
Just one rule. Figure out how to make real money using nothing but this tool. And I track every dollar on screen the whole time. Today, I'm showing you exactly what happened. The failures, he almost quit moment. And the final number, which honestly surprised both of us. If you've ever wondered whether these make money with AI claims are actually real, this is the most honest test that I could run. Here were the only 3 rules I gave Dave. Rule 1. He starts with $0. Not $50 for ads. Not a laptop upgrade. Nothing. Rule 2. Exactly one AI tool. ChatGPT. Free version, no premium plugins, no paid courses. Rule 3. 30 days. And I track every transaction on screen, good or bad. No cherry picking the results later.
That's it? No budget at all?
That's it.
I don't even know what to sell.
Which, honestly, is where most people give up before they even start. So, before Dave touched his laptop, I made him do one thing first. Day 1. I told Dave to stop thinking about what business should I start, and instead ask ChatGPT a completely different question. Because the mistake almost everyone makes is asking the AI for ideas, instead of asking it to find where the actual demand already is. Here's the exact prompt Dave typed. List 10 tasks that small business owners hate doing, would happily pay someone else to do, and that I could realistically learn to do well within a few hours using only ChatGPT. The list came back with things like writing product descriptions, responding to customer reviews, cleaning up messy spreadsheets, writing follow-up emails to leads, and turning long blog posts into short social captions. Dave picked the one that required the least skill and the fastest turnaround, writing product descriptions for small online sellers. Not because it was exciting. Because it was the fastest way to prove the whole idea wasn't a joke. Day 3. Dave messaged 15 small Etsy and Instagram shop owners offering to write 5 free product descriptions. No charge. Just to prove it worked. 12 never replied. 2 said no. 1, a small candle shop, said sure. Why not? It's anyway free. That night, Dave used this prompt. Write 5 short, appealing product descriptions for handmade candles, in a warm and cozy tone, each under 40 words, optimized for an online shop listing. He sent them over the next morning. Nothing happened for 2 days. Cash counter, still $0. This is normally the point where people quit. Free work. No response. Day 5 of 30 already gone. I actually asked Dave on camera if he wanted to stop. He said no. But you can tell in his voice he wasn't confident. Day 7. Anything?
The candle shop replied. Sales went up on those 5 listings, she wants the rest of her shop done. 20 more products. $60.
$60 in 7 days. Doesn't sound like a business. But here's what actually mattered. Dave now had proof, a paying client. And something to show the next shop owner instead of asking for free work again. Okay. Now turn this one client into 10.
How?
So I had him do the one thing that actually moves these experiments forward fast. Ask the AI to turn one client into an outreach machine. The prompt: write a short outreach message for other small online shop owners, mentioning I already helped a candle shop improve their listings, keep it casual and under 50 words. Dave sent that message to 20 more shops using the candle shop as proof. This time, 6 replied. 3 paid. By day 14, Dave had 4 small clients paying between $40 and $90 each for batches of product descriptions. Total so far, $310. Still not life-changing, but the trend line mattered more than the number. He was no longer guessing. He had a repeatable loop. Message a shop, show proof, deliver with a reusable prompt template, ask for a referral. This is also where Dave almost made a bad decision. He wanted to raise his prices before he had enough proof to justify it. I told him no. Instead, I had him add one additional service instead of raising prices. Writing the shop's Instagram captions using the product descriptions he'd already written as an easy upsell. The prompt: turn these 5 product descriptions into 5 short, engaging Instagram captions with relevant hashtags, keeping the same tone. 3 of his 4 existing clients said yes to the upsell. For an extra $20 each. You okay? You've been quiet.
Lost 2 clients this week. One's shop is closing. The other one just said, she'll do it herself with ChatGPT now.
That second one's actually useful information.
Doesn't feel useful.
Not everything went up in a straight line. Day 21, 2 clients canceled in the same week. That second cancellation taught Dave something worth mentioning here. Clients don't pay for the AI tool. They pay to not have to think about the task at all. So instead of panicking, Dave used the dip to fix a weak spot. He built a simple one-page price list and delivery process so new clients knew exactly what they were getting, which made the next round of outreach convert faster than the first. All right. Day 30. Final count: you worked with how many shops total?
9. 6 of them stuck around as repeat clients.
9 shop owners in 1 month, using nothing but free ChatGPT and product description and caption writing services. Final number on the counter:
That's actually more than I thought.
$1,240. Not the 6-figure fantasy number you see in some thumbnails. This is the real, honest number from a genuine $0 starting point in exactly 30 days. And the trajectory matters more than the total. By week 4, Dave was earning roughly 4 times what he made in week 1. With the exact same tool, just a better system. So what actually made this work? 4 things, and none of them are the AI is magic: 1. Dave picked the easiest possible service to prove value fast, not the most impressive one. 2. He offered the first work for free specifically to get one piece of proof, not one client. 3. Every plateau got fixed with a small addition, not a price increase. The upsell mattered more than the raise. 4. The dip on day 21 didn't kill the business. Because the system was reusable, one prompt template served 9 different clients. If you want to try Dave's exact starting prompt yourself, here it is again. Ask ChatGPT to list tasks small business owners hate doing that you could realistically deliver, then pick the easiest one on the list and offer it free to the first 3 people, just to get real proof. 30 days, $0, 1 free tool, and an honest $1,240, rocky patches included. Want to do it again? 90 days this time?
Yeah. But this time I'm starting with a plan instead of guessing.
So subscribe, because Dave just agreed to round 2.